Guys, today's outfit is a wonderful reminder that great fashion is not defined by age, but by confidence and personal style. This 50-plus Western lady wears her dress with remarkable elegance, turning a simple outfit into something truly eye-catching. The dress has a refined and tasteful design that complements her appearance beautifully. Every detail seems carefully chosen to create a balanced and sophisticated look. What makes this outfit stand out even more is the way it fits her. It looks comfortable, flattering, and perfectly suited to her body shape. The color combination works exceptionally well, adding a fresh and stylish touch without being too bold or overwhelming. Friends, one of the most impressive things about this look is her fitness. Staying active and maintaining such a healthy appearance after 50 takes commitment and discipline. Her overall presentation reflects a lifestyle that values wellness, confidence, and self-care. Those qualities naturally enhance any outfit she wears. The dress moves gracefully and creates a polished appearance from every angle. It is fashionable while still maintaining a timeless charm. Rather than chasing trends, she demonstrates how choosing the right style can create a far stronger impression than simply following fashion fads. Her confidence plays a major role in the success of this look. The way she carries herself adds a level of sophistication that no clothing alone can provide. This outfit is a perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and modern style. It proves that fashion can remain exciting and inspiring at every stage of life. A beautiful dress, excellent fitness, and natural confidence come together to create a look that is classy, stylish, and truly memorable.